Today I'm getting my Jeep ready for my off-roading trip coming up this weekend with off-camber crawlers. We're going to be doing a 101 and a 201 class. We're going to be hands-on recovery, hands-on trail guiding, hands-on spotting, hands-on learning everything you want to learn about off-roading. So I'm getting my Jeep prepped for the off-roading trip. And as I'm getting my high lift jack ready, I thought I'd share with you my top 5 must-have Jeep accessories for your high lift jack. Number 5, WD-40. You always should have a can of WD-40 in your Jeep, especially if you have a high lift jack. You're going to want to keep those moving parts of your high lift jack lubricated when you get ready to use it. So WD-40, number 5. Number 4 is a mount or some way to store your high lift jack on your Jeep or in your Jeep. You can go to High Lift Jack's website, which is in the description below, to look for the many different kinds of mounting solutions. They have them on the hood, they have them in the rear of your Jeep, they have the storage bags for inside your Jeep, mounts for inside your Jeep, and I decided I'm going to keep my jack inside of my Jeep because I want to keep it away from those Mother Nature elements and those man-made elements like salt, chemical road salt, that nasty stuff, because that does damage your high lift jack. So if you do decide to leave your high lift jack on the outside of your Jeep, make sure you clean it regularly, just like you would your Jeep. They also have covers for the components of your high lift jack if you keep it outside. So let me show you where I'm going to put my high lift jack. So I decided to keep my jack out of the elements and keep it inside my Jeep. And the best place I found is underneath the rear seats. See, it can easily slide underneath the seats. Right out of the way, and then I can slide it right back out if I need it. And also I can bungee it to the seat to make it safer so it doesn't move around. Number 3, the high lift handle keeper. And this is a great accessory for your high lift jack, especially if you keep your high lift jack on the outside of your vehicle, because the handle keeper keeps the handle together with the jack so it doesn't come apart. Number 2, the high lift mate. And this comes in real handy in situations where you just need to lift a tire if it's stuck in a hole, or if you're high centered, so you can put some rocks underneath your tire to give you more lift. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to use the lift mate safely. Plus, I'm going to show you the number 1 accessory you must have with a high lift jack, the off-road base. I'm going to show you the uses for this. There are several uses for this. This keeps the jack steady. You can use it as a shovel, and you can use it as for traction if you need to get traction, and you can even use it as a little chair when you're taking that lunch break out on the trails. So those were my top 5 must-have high lift jack accessories. Check out the links below in the description for all these great accessories, and there's a link in the description below on how to use the high lift jack safely. And coming up soon, I will show you how to safely use the high lift mate. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button, because when I hit 5,000 subscribers, I will be having a cool giveaway of lots of Jeep stuff. And one of the giveaways is this high lift jack handle keeper. So hit that subscribe button, check out the links in the description below, and if you want to get on the notification list, click that little bell next to the subscribe button.